What's good? Y'all hear me all right? You can't hear me. You sure? Yes, no, yes, no. I can't tell. Alright. Good stuff, good stuff. How's everyone doing? Type 1 in the chat if you guys want a giveaway. Type 1 in the chat if you guys want a giveaway. See how many of y'all can hear me. Let's see. Type 1 in the chat if you guys want a giveaway. Okay, yeah. I should be able to get it. Hear me now. All right, what's up? What's up? What's up? How's everyone doing? So people want a giveaway for sure. So what I'm thinking for NFP is, given the fact that we ran this, actually, let me share this stream real quick. And Discord. Appreciate you, bro. Let's see. I don't do live every day. I'm doing it for FOMC. I'll see how it does. I'll see how it does. Let's give away a quick little Apex account real quick. How about that? Let's give away a couple. Let's do it to start. See how many people can log in there and use it real quick. And I'll let y'all know my thoughts in a second on the market. Let's see. Let's do a giveaway. Settings. Alright, comment. Should be good. See if that registers. If not, we'll have to do a different one, but. No, Cookie's in here. He's gonna take all y'all's giveaways. Cookie always wins it in Discord. I don't know how he does it. So I figure out why my cloud bot ain't working. If worse goes to worse, I'll just pick someone from the chat. I'll ask a question. I'm not seeing any complete. Here it is. I have to add it. Apex. We'll do it for 2 minutes. Alright, now try it. There we go. There we go. Now type in Nick Live. Sorry about that, guys. Haven't done a YouTube stream in a long time. So type it in now. Picking the winner in 2 minutes. In the meantime, what I think for FOMC is, I think we're going to potentially. I'm looking at MNQ because I'm not trading this. I'm just going off of my fundeds. Well, let's just assume I'm trading MNQ. I'm kind of thinking, go to the 15-minute chart. I'm kind of thinking anywhere between a 20 and 25 point pad for a 50K apex. Yeah. I'm thinking a 25 point pad. If we go over here, I don't know if you guys can see. Feel free to launch me off some of your what accounts you guys are trading right now. Whether it be Apex, 100Ks, 150s. Yeah. Let's see here. Alright. 35 users. About to end here in a second. We got Nick's trades. So DM me on Instagram real quick. I'll shoot you over something. DM me on Instagram. I'll do some more giveaways throughout the session. I'll probably be on here for, I say, 30 or 45 minutes. So this is how we do it. We do 25 point buffer, right? Long or short. And then what you want to do is set your TP somewhere up here, right? Depending on how many contracts that you're taking. Funded Next Rapid, I think. Feel free to drop your accounts that you guys are trading. Apex has 10 contracts for 50K. Ten contracts for 50K. Yeah, so the execution process is you set, if you think long, you go buy stop. And if you think short, actually sorry, for the TPs you set a sell limit. And then if you think short, you go sell stop. Right. And then for the TP for that, you go buy limit. So basically, you would do the opposite as normal trades. This indicator name is OSOC protection pad. So it kind of gives you like right before, like in like 2 minutes at like 1:59 and like 45 seconds, you move your orders to right here. Right now, I would just go ahead and set them. I would like set them up here. Yeah. That's how you do it. And then what happens is all of a sudden the news comes out. It'll just come in there and take it. Because on an Apex 50K, you only need 15 points. Do you do a buy stop and a sell stop or just guess? Yeah, so what you can do is do a bracket order. So I'll do it. Here, I will do this real quick. Let me just, I'm going to act like these are not my, let's see. So stop. I'm going to do one here just to kind of show you guys before the session starts, okay? So you just do TP right here. And then what happens is you hit sell, right? And it'll set it. And then like 30 seconds before the news comes out, you just click this and hold shift and then hit confirm, all right? And then you do the same thing for a buy stop. Like I say, these are my funded, so I'm not doing it, but this is how we do it. Hopefully that made sense. If I were to pick which way the market's going to go, I think there's a lot of sell side liquidity resting below here, but I would have wanted this low to stay intact before news, these relative equal lows. So I'm going to say long. I think the rate cut's going to be pretty bullish too. So that's over with right there. 35 contracts. Make sure you're doing NQ, not MNQ. So here we go. About 30 seconds. Got about 30 seconds here. I am doing one account over here on the right. I can't log in because I want to trade fundeds after if I see it set up. And I don't, that's a pain in the butt. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay. That was pretty, not very good. There it is. There's a move. Let's see if it can push higher. Okay, I got in and out pretty quick. Oh, never mind. Wait. Boom. Did anyone pass? That was like very delayed. That was very, very delayed. How'd everyone do? You got it? Type 1 in the chat if you got it. Type 2 if you failed. Passed on long. Yeah, like, let's look at the seconds charts real quick. 5 second. It wicked lower here. It wicked lower, right at... Oh, that was before. Dang. Past 5 accounts. Let's go. Let's go. Here, I'll show you mine. Let's see. I did a little 50K. What's funny is I got it right on the dot. Here. Like, I literally got 3,000 right on the dot. That's wild. Type 1. So it looks like a lot of people passed. Let's do another giveaway then real quick. Now I'm gonna play a little game on here. Because now that the move's over with, in terms of passing accounts, what I like to do is just sort of chill because 2:30 is usually when like the other move happens. Let's see if I can catch a trade. I don't really trade PM session too much, but I'm gonna look and see if I can catch a trade. I did catch a pretty good setup yesterday as well. Good stuff. All right, let's do... Yeah, make sure you cancel your other orders, guys. Like, if you had sell stops, make sure you cancel those. Make sure you cancel. Let's do another giveaway. Complete. What kind of accounts you guys want me to give away now? You guys want to do alpha? Let's do a My Fun Futures one real quick. Let's do a My Fun Futures one. We'll set this one for 3 minutes. So comment Nick Live in. Comment Nick Live. Let me know if it's working. Should be good to go here. Custom. Futures. 3 minutes. Do 3 minutes. I'm glad to see some of y'all passed. Glad to see. I still want some music real quick. Let me break down what I kind of want the market to do now in terms of actual trading. I'd like to see us go higher and just whip out of this consolidation. It's not very fun. Let's see.
Just leave me alone. Hell no, I ain't sleep today, but I'ma be okay. Miss my family on the east, but fuck it, I can't leave LA. Every meeting that I be in, trust me,
So
I
4 hour.
I fucked 3 times before 3 today. Piece of cake, never gave a fuck about what
this is ugly. I need to see more at 2:30. I'm not even gonna bother going too deep into this.
Out the club with me and TMZ is out here, ain't no secret safe. If that's your girl, why she in my section? If that's your girl, why she doing role play going both ways like an intersection? Stole it like an interception. But you could have her back, she asked a million questions. Yeah, like
Feel free to drop some questions in here. I'll check it.
I just want chill, drink, smoke, fuck. Yeah, cause goddamn that body there goes as fuck. Somehow you hot as hell, but still cold as fuck. You know the deal, you know what's up. You ain't the only one. You knew that.
Okay, bad, bro. I'm checking it right now. If not, I have plenty of accounts to give away, so.
Got my favorite girl waking up in my bed, it's
Not too
only
worried about
right. Bad bitch, my only type. Independent too. Get it.
99 people in here. Let's go.
You won't let all the bullshit they say get to you. You a 10. I'm not perfect, but for you I do pretend. I've been working 2 to 10. That's AM. Ain't nobody quite like him. Put in the time like him. I've been grinding for a while. Now it feeling like my time is finally here. That's how I do. That's how I do. That's how I do. Like what's next? What's that? What's up?
Welcome to the stream.
I'm gonna do it differently.
Yeah, cause goddamn that body there goes as fuck. Somehow you hot as hell, but still.
Alright, the first person to answer, what was the opening price on the NASDAQ Monday, December 1st? What was the opening price on NASDAQ December 1st? Well, I'll figure this out. I just want to see some sort of liquidity grab here, or continuation if I don't get that, because I think this is the liquidity grab here, the previous day low on ES and NQ. 24,118.
Money hungry, nothing skinny, butter.
Open 24.
She come from money, but she spend it on her titties and her face. If you
So I got 482.
Cause 1 minute she's the one, the next you really never know.
Yeah, looks like Cairo got it.
Cause she don't know a damn thing about love. She don't know a damn thing at all. Cause 1 minute she's the one, the next you really never know. Just never know.
Yeah, Cairo 80.
Like, what's next? What's that? What's up? I just want chill, drink, smoke, fuck.
DM me on Instagram. If not, follow me if you haven't already.
Somehow you hot as hell, but still cold as fuck. You know the deal, you know what's up.
It's called These Days by Mike.
Girls these days.
Yeah, so for people to just join in, I want to see price go to these relative equal highs up here. But man, it does look ugly on the lower time frames. If we're still inside this consolidation on NQ, doesn't look the best. I'll be honest, it does not look the best. I'm gonna resume this game. Let's see what happens here. A PM session, I want to see continuation. If we're going to go higher, which is what I want to see it continue going higher. To move with the candle, you click on the order and then you hold shift. These days. Let's see here. Let's try to go over the. Let's see if I can just cut through the words. Oh my God. Well, I am like. Let's see. Drop some questions in here while I'm waiting. I'm like, what? Come for double? Jeez. Yeah, 482.50. Yeah, that's what's her name got. Yeah, what's your count y'all want to see giveaway now? Type in the chat. Hey, shout out Take Profits Trader right here. Y'all see that? Yeah, I'm gonna do another one. I get knocked down, but I always get up. Eyes wide shut, but I got my head up. Part 4. Hey, she know how to take it. Whatever I got, she wanna take it. Yeah, Alpha? What accounts y'all want to see? Let me figure out my bot real quick too. Life ain't a race, gotta pace it. Like my shot, I'm not chasing. But when it get hard, I get wasted. Just like my bottle, I'ma face it. You should too. Took 2 shots, now I feel better. I made you, then I made you better.
Welcome to.
I got knocked down, but I always get up. Ain't worried
Funded ticks, alpha, apex, funded next. We'll do some funded next.
I get knocked down, but I get up again. Uh-oh, now you up in the club again. Uh-oh, brown stuff in my cup again. Uh-oh,
by the way, I'm not doing anything. Oh, go. On indices right now. It's just chop at the moment. So, like, I'm not gonna do anything. Yeah, but the TradeWise don't. Let's do TradeWise. Ready? Alright, funded next. Let's run it. Alright, let's pick a number between 1 and 100. Alright, 1 and 100. I'm writing down 3 numbers right now. Okay, I'm writing down 3 numbers. And I will share them with you here. Numbers between 1 and 100. 3 numbers. We'll start with the first one first. Alright. One number between 1 and 100. So 77. Oh, we got Kelsick the Trader. Kelsick the Trader 1-1. I swear to God. Oh, someone was really close. Oh, we got ICMMXM. Make sure you DM me on Instagram with a screenshot of your YouTube. And then someone will get the last one. Dang, y'all are pretty quick with this. Oh, we got a winner. Alex and the Mom. Those are 3 winners for Funded Next Rapids. Let's see. Let's play another hole. Let's try to land it in the rough here, so it can kind of bounce a little bit. That's pretty good. Stop. How is this a par 4? I've laid up like twice.
You ready? I don't do this, but I do tonight. Eat that pussy like it's food tonight.
Yeah, this song's called Rodman. I don't know. It's scratch. I think it's plus 1.6. So let me just keep count here. I've given away 1 Apex, 1 My Friend Future, and 3 Rapids. Is that correct? 14 minutes till J-Pal. I get part 5 here. I will go back to the charts once J-Pal starts speaking at 12:30 or 2:30. So it's basically just questions. Oh. DM me on Instagram with a picture of your YouTube. Just screenshot it. I have to figure out my giveaway bot. I don't do these streams very often. What is the freaking hole? Cut through here. That has to be perfect. I gotta get back to even. Fudge. I typed him out in the chat. It was Kelsick. Alex and the mom and IC MMXM. Yeah, I'll do another giveaway closer to when J Pal is about to speak. So.
I'm not from New York, but I wish I was, 'cause I love the lights and I miss your touch, but I haven't seen you since that night.
I don't have a CFD account, bro. Let's take a look at the charts after this whole.
I hate that I ever called you names. Like a quarterback.
Yeah, so we're still in this consolidation. So look at the 5 minute. It's moved up a little bit. It's not consolidating. It's not consolidating on the 1 out on the 5 minute, but it is on the 1 hour. Plus, it's like 2 p.m. hits. That's like a big driver, and then it's like flat for 30 minutes, and then Powell speaks. Yeah. I don't. If I were to guess, it'd probably go higher. But don't. I don't know. If we're looking at NQ, like this looks like consolidation. So whenever there is going to be an expansion, it's going to be pretty big. So I would say, I just don't know if this is the manipulation to go higher. It could do something like this and sweep out all of these trend lines and then go higher, or just don't. We'll see what he says. I think if you're just picking right now, you're guessing. What's this moment? If anyone tells you.
So I got this cannon and smoke. Bitch, I'm the cannon, yeah, I'm wildin' out, and I hope you can handle the jokes. I got my foot on they throat, no, I'm not the one who gon' choke. I got a Stone Island coat I don't wear now, 'cause I learned to handle the cold. All on my own, all of my dogs, yeah, we live by the code.
Type 1 in the chat if you guys want me to do some more streams in the future. Maybe do them in like the AM session, like earlier. Which account haven't I given? Oh, I haven't given away an alpha yet. I haven't done alpha yet. How's the audio? You guys can hear all right? Good blend between music and my voice. Let's take a look at gold. What's gold done? This is something I don't like to see either. I'm glad to see it's moving away, but I had this gap marked off, and what you want to see, you don't want to see price hit it too many times. Like, think of this like a wall, right? The more times it hits this wall, the more likely it's what? To just fall over and just break. So I'm glad to see it's respecting it. I would have hoped it came into it and then moved away, but you know, we'll see what happens. Could be setting up for tomorrow. If we want to see me do streams, more streams.
Used to pull up on you like a nosedive when you said let's link. Used to drive you around like a chauffeur when it was just.
Let's keep it rolling. Yeah, I talk a lot through my sets. I like to kind of bring people along the journey, and this one, the story and the
my audio's a little low.
All right. Going. It's really,
I'll turn my audio up.
Out of the whole catalog that I feel like kind of picks up that narrative and delivers it
How about
in
now?
song form the best. It's this
Sound better?
Being alive, being a human being, I think one thing
I don't want the
we
music
all
too
have in
loud,
common for sure, no
but it's
matter
in a good
what walk
spot.
of life you come from is gonna get your ass knocked down often. The ability to get up again, the ability to kind of persevere and keep going, whether it's the highs, the lows, or the in-betweens, whatever phase you're in. I think that's the separator for people who have a good life. You know, some people have it harder than others, but I think we all can kind of relate to this message. So this one's up again. Let's go. Yeah.
Let's see here.
Not that again. Not that again. Yeah.
Feel free to ask any questions. What's Louise saying? Luis, drop your question. I can't see it. 8 more minutes till Powell speaking. Not the rose. Not the rose. If I were to pick, I think we go to previous weekly high. These are relative equal. I'm just going to mark these right here. Alright. I don't know how we're going to get there. I don't know if we're going to manipulate lower again. But I feel like this is the move. It's the most obvious draw, in my opinion. I just don't know if this was deep enough. This was like a deep enough move lower. But it could be setting up for a potentially nice move the rest of the week, though. Something like that. If you were going to start trading in with platforms, how would you trade? I would just stack one at a time, get a payout, and then from there, just keep reinvesting. The biggest thing is size. I feel like too many people, like, I do the same, like, when in terms of promoting, like, Apex, when you got 20 accounts. Like, if you're unprofitable, you haven't got a payout, why are you buying 20 accounts, right? Like, I said earlier when we did the one shot, one kill, make sure you're profitable before you do this. Otherwise, you're just wasting money. How do you become so stable? I don't know. I feel like you've just been punched in the face so many times that you have to adapt and become strong and stable. And I think size has a good thing to do with it as well. Like, if I was sizing if I was sizing higher, I wouldn't be as stable, right? That's just obvious. So I think a lot of you guys just see stuff on social media and you think, oh man, I got to go do that. But you're really just screwing yourself out. And I was one of those people too. Apex negative 30% P&L rule. So if you have $6,500 in drawdown, or $2,000 or $2,500 on Apex 50K, you can't lose no more than 30% of that in one trade. So $2,500, 30% of that is $850. So don't lose $850 per trade. That's all you gotta do.
I don't think there's any other artist in the lineage of their career that spent more time at dive bars. We campaigned for years playing 50, 100, 200 person shows.
Yeah, I've said
that. Around with the fans, going to dive bars.
I'm up $200.
As much as I can't do it anymore is with me forever. All those memories and all that shit's just a part of my DNA going forward. And a lot of great times that I bring.
Someone asked me a question in Discord.
This one's dive bar. Let's do it.
So hopefully I answered y'all's questions. Nick, could you explain what you're looking for a PM trade and what you need to happen in order to take that trade? In the PM session? Like what the PM session? Let me see. Oh, what price needs to do in the AM session to take a trade in the PM? Honestly, just have a draw and have speed. Those are the only two things. But I just don't trade the PM session too much unless it's like days like this. Speed and draw. So I got some relative equal highs here, got some highs here. So just that. Honestly, I already did one shot, one kill, bro. About 25 minutes late, dog. Respectfully. We'll be back next week for CPI, though. I'll do it on YouTube again. Let's see here.
Started out as strangers, now we're making risky plans. Yelling out all our favorite songs.
Alpha.
It's not our fault. We just gotta hit that shit again. Yeah, and again. We found a dive bar somewhere no one knows. She said where I'm from. We got a lot of those, and baby, where I'm from. I ain't seen no girls around there like you. Hey, yeah.
Okay, type in Nick Live, see what happens. Let me do it first. I think I got it now. Okay, you should be good now. Yeah, there you go. We'll do the alpha. Yeah, feel free to ask questions regarding. I'm gonna play one more hole real quick before Pal starts speaking. Let's see here. Bro, this should be like a par 6, dog. What is the... How do I get to this thing? Can I do this? No. No. Oh, I can actually. Okay, I'll take that. I don't know when this thing's expiring. Okay, yeah, there we go. There we go. Let's pick the winner here. Ahmad FX. So DM me on Instagram with a picture of your YouTube. That way, you know it's you. So I'll give away an alpha. Let's go. 1 Apex, 1 My Fun Futures, 3 Rapids, 1 Alpha. Let's go, baby.
You're a good boy. I talk about it.
Let's finish this hole before Powell comes on.
Trying to tune in and I guess just tune into the present as much as you can. And
this is for Birdie.
About this song when I was singing it on this tour was it's a fairly profound song, even though it was just made kind of without thinking about the big
Life
picture.
is a
For me,
bitch.
chipping away at
Shoot
my
for par.
perspective so I can be at a
Hey, that was
spot
Lil
where I
Wayne that said
realize
that. That was a
every day
bogey?
is a good day. It's a good day to be here, be alive.
Damn.
Really, no matter what the circumstances are, if you
Let's see what the
stay
Marcus
in that
doing.
frequency or at least
30
that
seconds.
idea, that outlook, it can do a lot of great things for your life. Keep your life experience as clean and pure as possible.
Complete.
So this record right here is a fun one. This one's good day. Let's go.
Yeah, I like the stream, guys. Appreciate it. If you guys want to see more of these with giveaways and hanging out, 1 shot, 1 kill. And like I say, type 1 in the chat if you guys did pass, right? If you guys passed the accounts. Alright. He should be speaking, getting close to it. One thing I'm gonna watch is there's not a whole lot of inefficiencies in here. This is like, I could confuse this candle for any other candle that's happened. Like, this isn't like an FOMC candle for me, so I'm waiting for to see that FOMC candle. I'm be watching the 15-minute. The hourly, to me, I don't have any point of interest. I do think we draw higher though. Let's go. What would you do if we had it all wrong? Got what we want, but we still want more. Yeah. Maybe I'll do some other ones in like CFDs later on, but little bit of luck is what I found. Just a little pick me up when I'm down. Let's see. Just a little bit of liquor's all I need. Little bit of you time when I'm free. Drop some questions in the chat, please. Drop some questions while we wait. Oh, yeah, it's going down tonight. That sun's about to go down. That's one thing about the sun. It's gonna go down either way. Whether you're looking or you're not. Yeah. If you pass. It's kind of a dud. Yeah, all you win is futures. Let nobody get me off of my way. Hey, vibrate. I'm gonna let it vibrate. What we say we give? Yeah, you gotta give it a minute. Yeah, that's a big house. Yeah, my mama big proud. Smoking on big loud. Put up the big loud. That's Ern's house and his truck house, and it's up now.
This record right here is really about being in the trenches. I remember vividly a lot of tough shit was happening at the time. And it's real.
Let's do another one real quick. Let's do Apex. We'll give away 3. We'll do it for 15-minute timer though.
You're fueled to make a change. This song's a moment in time for me, and signifies the trenches. Let's do it. This one's head against the wall.
We'll do it for how long I've been streaming for? Yeah, we'll do it for 13 minutes. Let me get it set up. Nick, what's this method of trading news? What happens with Funded Next macro scalping? So with Funded Next, what you do is you just don't set a TP on it. You just close it manually after 10 seconds, 10, 15 seconds. That's what I would do. Alright, here we go. Alright, type it in chat. Giving away 3 accounts. Make sure these questions don't get lost in here. If you want to teach one setup for platform, what would it be? Shoot, it would be yesterday's setup. I'll break it down.
My head got a little bigger, but I feel small. Yeah, he's standing on my money, I don't feel tall. It's like I left some tickets cause they will call.
So what happened yesterday was we had a clear draw, right? We had price wanting to gravitate to these relative equal highs. I think that's kind of obvious too, right? Whatever is most obvious on the chart is usually where price is going to go. It's just a lot of times you can't really bank on the delivery being so nice. So relative equal highs at Asia and London. We got S&T here as well, right? That previous day low. Alright, so we have a draw, we have liquidity run. ES did, however, run this low too, I believe. Yeah, so it ran this low from London. And what we had was, you could combine this breaker, IFEG, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to take these off now because they can get a little confusing. But we know where price is going, right? It's going to these relative equal highs. This is the same setup I posted on Twitter yesterday as well. Okay, IFEG. Set your limit right here. Once price closes above it, stop at the low, one of the lows, target up to here. Very, very clean. That's the setup I would teach. Actually, hit TP right here, so that's how I would do it.
This outro is one of my favorites.
You can only do one entry, bro. So if you're sitting there spamming, like, it ain't gonna work, bro.
Feels so great, you know what I mean, John? Feels so right. When I sleep to these healing frequencies at night, you don't know about the healing frequencies, you gotta tap in. And that was kind of the idea. That's actually the first
that's the one setup I trade.
I put the frequencies in, that outro's in there. A lot of those frequencies, that healing vibe, sound baths, those type of things, that was actually pretty helpful, pretty useful for me. I still to this day sleep to those. So if you have trouble sleeping or you just want to catch a
that's all our questions I got. Feel free to ask some more.
Those are my 2 favorites.
Let's see what the charts are doing
It
now.
was made in a place very similar to this. Different landscape, but the same type of space, very remote. I went to Montana years back when I made the idea, but it was really when I was realizing how much woosah I really needed.
Okay, so now we got some movement now.
A lot of turn up inside of me I needed to turn down. So that's what
we got
this
some
one's
movement.
About. Let's do it.
I'm gonna watch the 5 minute here.
Boys, we got a couple left.
I really only have a draw higher though, so.
I be changing up the crib every quarter. I got tired of not living how I wanna. I'ma make this shit as big as I wanna. I get lost on my way.
See, I think we go here, but
Somewhere in the hills of Montana.
we get get there, I don't know. I actually had a pretty good January this year, so just show up every day and just see what happens. Like yesterday was Monday. Yesterday was a Tuesday. It was the day before FOMC, but it was the day before FOMC. People say, "Oh, don't trade," but I showed up. I had a trade, and it was good. What you know about Mike? Yeah. What you know about Mike? Let's switch over to flow a little bit. Alright, put that one. Let's see. This is a throwback album right here. There's a weekly bearish S&P. Nah, I don't worry about that too much. A backtest live? Yeah, I can do it. I was actually gonna do a YouTube video on it. No, I'm not gonna trade in December, bro. Like if I would, there is news on 2 weeks from today, I think. So if we look at this, like day before Christmas, there is 830 red folder, so I may be here, but it's gotta be A plus. I'm at size light. Way before my boy was rocking that Jay's hat. Yeah, now we done made it this far. Used to ride the Acela, bought a crib for the homies, and we go. My IG is Nick Does Features. Whoever won the giveaway, make sure to DM me on Instagram and follow me if you haven't already. Rather be broke than be rich alone. Yeah. I got all my friends feeling more like blood. Pour the liquor till we drown. Living all these nights like it's all we got. Come too far to go home now. How do you go about my stop losses? Yeah, nothing better than gambling on unemployment claims on Christmas Eve. Yeah, bro. I'll get you in the right. I'll get you in the Christmas spirit. Stop losses, let's just say I was gonna look at a breaker short, right? This kind of sticks out to me. So I always sort of set my stops where I want, okay? So entries, that's never gonna change. Sometimes I put it at the breaker, sometimes I'll put it just sort of in here. I just kind of find a spot for it. If you go by what ICT says, it should be right here, but if there's a fair value gap in here and the closure of it is right here, I'll put it right here. Watch this setup play out. When it gets dark, then I light this week. My friends like my family, and they right with me. I got all my friends feeling more like blood. Pour the liquor till we drown. Living all these nights like it's all we got. Come too far to go home now. No matter what, we gon' find a way. Swing from. Watch this play out. Like, I was just messing around. Let me see if this is even valid. NQ looks better. Just don't look bad. See how we close. Got 4 more minutes. Could just be another low sweep. What I kind of wanted to see was just a deeper run lower, and that is kind of what I could see price doing. This 15-minute does not look very bullish. Same with ES. This could work. This could work. It's just a move down or move up before. It literally is just this. It's just a lower the high before a liquidity sweep. So down. Basically, to sum it up, a breaker is just a failed order block. And IFEG is just a failed fair value gap. Just support turn resistance, resistance turn support.
What if I don't want to change? What if I don't want the fame? What if I'm afraid? Different page, same story. Ay, wrote you this book to say I'm sorry. And once you read it, then you know me. Ay, but trust me, baby, that was on me. Cause I ain't even spell check it. Been touching down so many places I should have it.
Yeah, you're on here, Con. I see you on the giveaway, so.
Never sell myself to sell records. She just wanna party.
So far today, I've given away 4 Apex accounts. About to give away 4. 1 My Fun Futures, 3 Rapids, and 1 Alpha. Come on, right?
Please don't let it change it, cause I'm not here to save you.
Breaker is just a failed OB. IFEG is a failed FEG. Funny how that works, right? Just support turn resistance. Don't tell ICT. I got 2 more minutes. This thing's gonna wrap up. Cooper, come here.
She moved to the city with a couple
Okay,
friends.
chill out, bro.
Barely in their 20s, but they fucking tense. Getting paid for that face, sweating, cop the Benz. Party every night, then do it all again. But you ain't like anyone else. You ain't like anyone else around here. You ain't like anyone else.
Ask some questions. I'm gonna head out here in a couple minutes.
You ain't like
Just want to do a quick stream. Congrats to all the people who passed, though. We'll do another one for CPI next week. What is that? 4X. Yeah, next Thursday. A week from tomorrow. Probably start at like 8:15. Yeah, bro. Let's go.
Guess who got my number, boo? Make me feel so comfortable. And if you're on the fence, girl, just know I take that jump with you. She moved to the city with a couple friends. Barely in their 20s, but they fucking tense. Getting paid for that face, sweating, cop the Benz.
Yeah, see, I figured that wasn't gonna work. I did not enter that. I was just showing someone what a breaker was, potentially. Some people like to say you need a fair value gap inside the breaker. It's all about draw. Like if you have the right draw, price will leave a fair value gap anyways. And if it isn't, then you can still take it. Yeah, December 18th, yeah. 8:15. Dang. Anywhere between 10 to 15% of the drawdown from me. About a minute and a half.
She moved to the city with a couple friends. Barely in their 20s, but they fucking tense. Getting paid for that face, sweating, cop the Benz. Party every night, then do it all again. But you ain't like anyone else.
You get all mad. He wants me to take him outside. Here, let's
You ain't like anyone else. You ain't like anyone else around here.
let's end the giveaway here. Let's close the entries. So
No way, Jose, wait, can't say no. Hey.
bro, coffee. I got coffee. Well, I thought I said cookie. I was like, there's no way. Be trading Yogi 1 and then Galley. Yeah, you won. So DM me on Instagram a picture of like of your YouTube channel make sure it's you. Nick Does Futures is my Instagram, and I'll send you over the accounts. Also attach what account you had. I did a little bad job of keeping track, but I do know how many accounts I gave away. I gave away 8 or 9 today. So it's rigged, of course, bro. It's always that one person.
I had a long day.
I'll see y'all back here next week for CPI. In there, I'll probably get some trades into. PM session, I'm not really that much of a trader, but we did manage to pass some evals for you guys. So make sure to like the stream, and I'll see you guys back here next week. Take it easy.